It is great to see you all again at Wealthy Coins. Shibarium completely lost it. Breaking news. The latest on Shibariums decoded one of the major factors contributing to the oversaturation of meme tokens and coins on the market is Shibariums, the second biggest meme crypto on the market. Dogecoin was there before Shiba Inu and SHIB, but it couldn't keep the hype going. An unconventional community grew into one of the biggest in the world because to Shibarium's innovative idea which he brought into space. This video will explain the latest Shibarium news, which has recently gone viral, and we'll discuss the topic of breaking news. To stay updated on our latest material about Shibarium price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get the video started. A small number of meme projects have integrated utility tokens, decentralized exchanges, NFTs, and other cryptocurrencies. Shibarium is one among them. Its usefulness was not proven only by activities, newspaper endorsements, and FOMO. As it started to provide substantial return on investment ROI to holders, many were not surprised, and more people joined the group they had been observing. The Shibarium token has broken out of its downward spiral after being retested multiple times in the last 2 months. Investors have seen an outstanding return on their money with Shibarium's intraday trading volume of around 268.5 million. Shibarium has ramped up its pricing support efforts since the new year began. Community members persistently push the burn rate to record highs to ensure that the circulating supply remains in line with the goal price. With over 1 billion users in 150 countries, Twitter is the most rapidly growing social network right now. Plus, it's more than simply a leisure network. It is being used for do-it-yourself projects and how-to guides. Top cryptocurrencies are only one of many subjects that Twitter is starting to share useful content about. Twitter is rapidly amassing a wealth of useful information on cryptocurrency and related topics, including recommendations for popular cryptocurrencies among Twitter users. For the SHIB group, the last several years have been very fruitful. As soon as word spread that Elon Musk was planning to acquire Twitter, the value of SHIB increased by about 40%. As a result, 2023 is clearly going to bring fantastic opportunities for the meme coin. This cryptocurrency, which is popular on Twitter, is predicted to experience a 100-fold increase in value in 2023. After months of inactivity, the cryptocurrency markets responded positively to Elon Musk's completion of his takeover of Twitter, soaring to unprecedented heights. On the other hand, going into the weekend, things aren't looking good. Shiba Inu and Dogecoin have both seen 15% price drops as of late, and they may fall even more. Elon Musk was finishing up his takeover of Twitter as the cryptocurrency market turned green on the news, but Twitter staff weren't having it. Almost half of the company was laid off after Musk's massive wave of layoffs following the takeover. The following divisions are currently closed: communication, ethics and machine learning, openness and accountability, accessibility, and human rights. This has raised concerns regarding the future of Twitter in the absence of these vital positions. Also, a contentious subscription service with a blue verification checkmark that costs 7.99 cents monthly was introduced. This approach would take the place of the old one, which limited verification to people with whom Twitter had prior communication. At first, Dogecoin's market cap increased by a staggering 150% due to Musk's acquisition of Twitter, and Shiba Inu's increased by an extra $2.29 billion on CoinMarketCap. This was mostly because Musk had previously backed Dogecoin, a cryptocurrency named after the Shiba Inu breed of dog. In addition, the speculation that he will integrate Doge into Twitter as a payment option further fueled the market surge. But Dogecoin and Shiba are starting to tremble as more information regarding Musk's Twitter ambitions has come to light. The gradual decline of Doge and SHIB, which reached a loss of more than 15% each, started on October 29, 2020. Shiba Inu lost about 5% of its value, and Doge lost 10% in the past week. Even though it's hard to draw a direct line between their losses and Musk's Twitter scandals, the trend is clear. Despite initial excitement, cryptocurrency prices have continued to fall as the new week begins. One cryptocurrency that saw tremendous increases is Shiba Inu. As a result, SHIB was able to break through the crucial 0.00000112 resistance level, which has long been seen as a turning point in the market. As a result, on October 29th, it reached a level not seen in nearly 3 months, 0.0015 USD. The SHIB market has become bearish at the price of 0.000010 USD. This follows the failure of a crucial technical level at 0.000112 USD to be maintained. The losses occur as a result of worries that the troubled FTX exchange is losing a large amount of SHIB. Whales moved about 1.5 trillion SHIB out of the FTX exchange, according to data from the Netherscan. On the same day as the shift, SHIB's price dropped by almost 10%. Following the bull's failure to maintain a firm position above the $0.000112 barrier, a technical analysis reveals a downward trend in SHIB. Bearish pressure is getting worse as the price has fallen below both the 20-day and 50-day moving averages. A precipitous decline is shown by the relative strength index. With a value below the midpoint, the token has not yet reached the oversold levels. At the moment, bears are in charge of Shiba Inu. The price is likely to continue falling due to bearish signs and weak momentum. If the bulls are unable to reverse the present decline in SHIB, the next area to monitor is the one around $0.0008. Once again, the SHIB price can encounter resistance near $0.000112. If bulls start to build positions, possible bullish momentum will be confirmed if the price recovers above the $0.000112 level. Until there is proper bull confirmation, buyers should avoid SHIB. Nevertheless, it is important to keep an eye on SHIB's reputation for unexpected recoveries related to fresh developments. It appears that SHIB is once again fending with ferocious bears, as the market price of the K9 currency has dropped by double digits in the past week. But the top 5,000 whales are still buying more Shiba Inu tokens, despite the unexpectedly negative opinion. If you'll excuse the pun, the Shiba Inu remains the largest whale according to statistics. Curiosity abounds. One of the top 100 Ethereum whales slumbered for almost 6 months before being roused today. According to Etherscan, the sleepy whale has acquired a substantial quantity of over 1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens in just 3 transactions within the past 24 hours. Among the top 100 Ethereum whales, Shiba Inu maintained his position by spending $11,405 on the K9 coin. The Ethereum network has seen a dramatic decline in Shiba Inu transaction volume, which has caused the cryptocurrency to fall 2 spots in the rankings of all cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. However, Ethereum whale's accumulation of Shiba Inu shows that crypto heavyweights are taking a long-term view of the Japanese dock-themed coin. New technological advancements inside the Shiba Inu ecosystem point to the imminent arrival of Shibarium. A new social and informational center on Twitter has been added to the Layer 2 upgrade. In preparation for Shibarium's release, lead developer Shitoshi Guzama has been working non-stop on the documentation. As far as CoinGecko is concerned, the K9 coin is worth 0.000111. Shiba Inu is bleeding red ink after recouping an 8.2% deficit in the past day. In the past week, its value has dropped 12%. Nonetheless, Shibarium is seen by the Shiba army as a potential game-changer for the market pricing of Shiba Inus. Our most powerful weapon is Shibarium. This firearm fires #bone bullets. The #Shiba ecology is still a mystery to some, but they'll get it eventually. Shiba Inu is now the 14th biggest cryptocurrency by market cap, down from 13th place, after a 7% drop in the previous day. Shiba Inu's precipitous decline in value has caused it to fall from its previous position as the 13th most valuable cryptocurrency. Even so, the current difference between the two cryptos' market values is just $250 million, so Shibari can still regain its position with a little boost. In the past week, Doji, the crypto's competitor meme coin, has also underperformed, with a 34% decline in value. At a negative 10% as of right now, its daily returns are even lower than Shibari's. So concludes today's activities. To view our most recent videos, please subscribe, share, and give us a big thumbs up.